Hi everyone. Winter means that it'd be an advantage to have a portable lighting to go down to the greenhouse in case it should suddenly fail. I've got the old residual current device on, which could trip out in the middle of the night. We have a power cut, which is highly unlikely, but you never know. Anyway, I was sorting out some of my lanterns that I've picked up over the years and realised some are fairly old. This one, using an ever-ready battery, is no exception. Showing the front of it, the lamp itself is what is known as a sealed beam unit. It's a lamp and reflector all in one, completely sealed in. You can turn it on, if I can find out how. Turn it on and you see it consists of an envelope, reflector and a filament. This is actually rated, I believe, at 4.5 volts. Running on 6, but I think they're rated at 4.5. I know these were made by both Westinghouse, which is now Philips, and GE, General Electric. Whether Sylvania makes one of these, I don't know, but I know the other names mentioned definitely make it. If you look carefully at the front, and I've just noticed this, I don't know if it's showing up on the actual camera, but there's a W etched onto the glass for Westinghouse. Anyhow, getting back to the lantern, it's held on by the two terminals, and it's called a Sportsman. I don't know if I can be able to show you the name on it. Should be able to. If you can't see it, it says Sportsman, and it's made by, let's see if we can see that as well. Yes, that's coming up. It's Sportsman by Rayovac. Now Rayovac, I believe, took over the British company called Vidor some years ago, which also made the zinc carbon type battery. They're the old, get the name right, Leclanche type of cell. Leclanche was a Frenchman who devised the zinc carbon battery. He made it in two forms, one wet and the other dry, and the dry form is the one you normally see as a battery. But now, as I say, the Duracell types have taken over and they last much longer. Anyhow, this is quite an old unit. The top part there is actually would have also been used, the same pressings, as for flashlights or torches, made by the same company, Rayovac. But anyhow, there we are. Turn it round, see the back. They did make a version, or there was a version made, that at the back there would have been a red light flashing, taking a normal flasher type bulb that you could have kept in the car, and if you had broken down, it's a warning to other motorists that you've broken down. They do exist. It's heavily chromed, as I say, a nice little unit, ready to be used straight away. Any problems at the greenhouse and I can't see at night, and I need these lights, as I say, I do suffer with a cataracts problem I'm hoping one of these days that I might be able to have it seen to and have that lens replaced. I hope it's rather sooner than later. But anyhow, that's life, and that's the first one you're going to see. I've got another one, not a million miles away. This one, funny enough, uses exactly the same type of lamp. It appears to be a bit brighter, but it's probably because the other battery's been less used. It doesn't, however, have any name on the front, who manufactured it, but it's the same as the other sealed beam unit. This lantern, I think, was intended to be used as a diving light, which meant it could be used under the water. So hopefully it will have been sealed to prevent water getting in. There's the name of it, Guest. I don't know it, but I'm sure there's someone out there that would have heard of this. Also American. Well made. Got like a handle. The switch will only operate while you've got it held down. At least you won't leave it on and let the battery run down. Anyway, that's another little lantern that I've got. I've got some other ones. It's quite amazing just what you collect over the years. I suppose a great enjoyment trying to get them to work. If you've got the sealed beam lamps, that is 99 the way that you'll get it working with all the bits, but I think you'll find they are quite difficult to get a hold of now. Now someone's bound to come back and say, oh yeah, they're on eBay, so and so and so and so, hundreds of them, but I don't think so. Anyhow, once again, thanks for looking. As I say, the next video will be, which I'm going to do next, makes sense I suppose, and that'll be some cacti mainly, of a collection of plants that I'm looking after here for a friend. So hopefully I'll be putting them up next. I'm hoping the battery's going to last out for that time, so it'll probably take me a little while getting the batteries charged up again. Anyhow, thanks again, thanks for watching, thank you.